Would it not be easier?
Wait a minute.
It worked.
Would it not be easier to take a mouthful and then bend over?
No, you had to
How did you do that? It worked.
You've got hiccups now.
I don't.
It's because you have to take your mind off it. So if you name all the
That's amazing.
characters as well, it works.
Oh,
It's gone.
nice moves.
See, when I'm really, really drunk, I
Who's
hiccup.
playing
I
dodgems?
bet you want
Who's
to.
playing dodgems?
Rambo's a
playing
force
dodgems?
of freedom.
Who's playing dodgems in my house?
That's alright.
Eh?
It's a hero.
Listen, I don't want
Right, anyway,
to
else.
really big myself up here,
What's
but
next?
I come back from
What
work,
else we got?
the next door neighbour's house was on fire. Wee kids, they're outside screaming, baby's upstairs in bed, there's a fire. Went in and saved the wee bastard. These are my scars.
Scars?
Oh, I'm totally
From the
saved
war,
that wee fucker.
Vietnam.
We've saved.
Right, Stan and
Turban
Andy
guy.
and that man.
No,
That man.
That's fucking
That man, come on.
Pull.
Smile!
I've never smiled in my life, it's fucking sore.
I'm sick of eating.